It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. It doesn't get any better than this. We have a 195 Sea Ray Sport. It's a 2007 model running a 4.3 TKS engine in it. It's got the full Sea Ray tower package, Bimini top, bow cover, cockpit cover, 481 original hours, all freshwater use. Boat's only been used in freshwater. It is as clean as you're going to find. We've done a full mechanical inspection on the boat. Compression was perfect on all 6 cylinders. We're going to do a startup video for you too to show you that it runs. It's a beautiful running boat. It's in super clean condition. It really doesn't get any better. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. You can give Christy a call on this one. It's her listing, 604-317-3847. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales has been around for 30 years now, over 30 years. And that's because we sell nice, clean boats. And this is as clean as they get. It's a 195 Sea Ray Sport, a couple other nice little features in the boat. It's got a perfect pass, so you can do some wakeboarding and have the constant speed on it. The upholstery's in great shape. Big sun lounge on the back there. 2 helm seats, bow rider model. It is a perfect boat for the ocean or the lakes. It's ready to go today. There's no better time to buy a boat than right now. Comes on a galvanized axle Sea Ray Shorelander trailer with all brand new brakes. The bearings have been inspected and cleaned. It is ready to go. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. Doesn't get any better. A black and white Sea Ray 195 Sport with the full arch package. It's got the mirror, the board rack holders. Gotta love it. Give us a call. Give Christy a call, 604-317-3847. Thanks for watching.